These solar lights have just turned on. I am showing you these containers that I'm using for the solar lights. These are the ones that uses a utility container. And this is the newer ones. So this one uses a plastic container, and the normal way I would use this would be upside down, so the sun can shine on the solar panel to charge the battery. This one is a glass bottle, so it's clear, solar panel on top, and I added a tricolor blinking light. So this one here, same deal, plastic container, and there's a single 1-watt LED inside. Those are my two other LED lights, and this light here is over my garage. So you can see here, this one is encased in a glass bottle. Same idea. And the light is powered by a QX5252 chip. This is an all-in-one chip that can controls the solar charging and also the discharge of the battery at night. So this runs from dusk to dawn on one single AA battery. So they work very well. You can see this one here, I added a blinking 3-color light. That is powered separately with a single 18650. These are old 18650s that still has some life in it, maybe about 500 to 600 milliamp. So you can still use it, and it's very simple. I just add one small resistor. I think it's about 500 ohm in series to limit the current. So the light basically blinks all day and all night. And you see inside here, there's a separate small solar panel to power that 18650. There's no complicated circuitry. So I have a video on how to make the DIY solar light. The controlling chip is like $100 for a few dollars. And I have a video on how to make this blinking light as well. So yeah, so what have I been doing lately? The last few days was very windy. So one of my lights got blown away and then got chipped and all. So this is basically useless now. So what I have done is I put the light in a plastic bottle like this. The solar panel is inside now, so everything is enclosed, so you don't have to worry about water getting in there, right? Because the bottle is transparent, so if you set it down like that, right, you can open it. The solar panel will get enough charge from the sun to charge the AA battery, and at night it will work just like a regular. It will work just like a regular solar light. And I have Had this one here for like maybe a year and a half, and it still works fine. You can see a little bit of condensation inside, but that doesn't affect the light at all. Right? You can see sunlight hitting the solar panel, and that's enough to give the battery a good charge.